Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe and share if you're just tuning in for the first time, and for returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this ghillie. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my ghillie. The rule for this particular ghillie today is 50-50. The both hands of your ghillie have to be equal. So I'm just going to take my ghillie from the back towards the front. And then take it round. Take one hand of the ghillie round the way you can see me do in this video. The ghillie on my thumbnail today is a turban, but I'm just going to show you all how to achieve this particular type of ghillie in a ghillie-like form. You definitely have to make sure that one hand of your ghillie goes round your head and then you pin it so that your ghillie does not unravel. So right now I'm going to take the other hand of my ghillie, which I have not touched. I'm just going to make pleats and then fold it in the way you can see me do in this video. I'm just going to fold it in. You really have to take your time in doing this so that your ghillie comes out really nice and beautiful. So after doing that, I'm just going to take the first hand of my ghillie that I pinned. I'm just going to take it across. I'm going to take it on top the other hand of my ghillie, and then I'm going to pin it. I do hope that you guys understand what I'm saying because I'm just saying hand, hand, hand. But I'm going to take the first hand of my ghillie and put it on top the other hand of my ghillie and pin it. I'm just going to be doing this so that my ghillie is firm on my head and it doesn't unravel. To arrange the pleats of my ghillie properly so that it can stand and so that it can come out really beautiful. I'm just going to take my time. If you want to do this, you really have to take your time in doing this so that it really comes out nice and beautiful. At this point, I want to form a bow in front of my head. So I'm going to be folding in the edges because I don't want the edges to look rough. I'm going to be folding in the edges and pinning it so that it looks nice. And while doing this, you also have to make sure that you're lifting your ghillie so that it stands properly on your head. And you also have to make sure that you do not lose your pleats, because the pleats are the most, let's say, the most important part of your gele. It makes your gele to really come out nice and beautiful, so you really do not want to lose your pleats when tying this gele. Like I said, it's important that you take your time in tying this gele, because you really want the outcome to be nice. So you have to take your time. At this point, I'm also going to be doing the same thing that I did with the other hand, with the other part of my gele. I'm just going to fold the edges in properly so that the edges does not show and it doesn't come out rough. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that, because they are really going to help you to know how to. So I'm just going to keep adjusting my gele and then going to keep pinning the edges so that it gives me a very nice bow. So like I said, the gele on my thumbnail today is a turban, but I just want to show you guys how to tie the gele in a ghillie like form. That's what I'm doing. So right now I'm just adjusting the edges and the sides of my ghillie so that it really comes out nice and beautiful. Well, thank you guys for watching. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like, and share. And if you not watched my previous videos on how to tie ghillie, please do that. I really want you guys to learn. Thank you guys for watching. So I'll be posting my next video very soon. If you want to see much of this kind of video, please do not fail to turn on turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.